Hey, my name's Jake Nicholson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about the huge amount of mortgage products that have been pulled from the market. If you have a remortgage or you're looking to buy a property in the next few months, then you want to watch this video because I'm going to tell you what my expectations are with mortgage rates. They've massively changed the expectations going forward. And in this video, I've got a real solid bit of insight into where mortgage rates are going. Now, before we jump into that, if you're new around here and you haven't done already, do subscribe to the channel over there and hit that bell notification. Join over 50,000 people who get all the latest property news, house price news, interest rate news, property investing tips, and much, much more. And help me get some views on this video. Your part in that is simple. All you need to do is smash like, tickle like, do something to that like button. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and that really does help the channel grow. So thanks to everyone that does that. So, the war. The war in Iran is not helping global economies. Now, firstly, more importantly, it's really impacting human lives in those areas. And I hope that this war gets ended as quick as possible and people don't suffer any more than they need to. But it's also hitting the financial markets at the moment. Oil is going up at a crazy rate over the last week or so, and that's going to feed into higher inflation. We already know that. We've already got people and companies saying they're going to increase the rates. Airline costs are already going up at a very sharp rate. If you drive past a petrol station or you need to fill up your car, you can see that petrol is getting significantly more expensive, and that feeds into every type of business. Transportation, cooking, like energy costs are a real part of a business that they can't really do anything about. And when they get higher energy costs, they're going to pass it on to us. Now, because of that, the Bank of England and the Federal Reserve in their meetings this week have said, yeah, we might have to increase interest rates now. Now, this is crazy because 3 weeks ago, literally just 3 weeks ago, rates were going to drop. There was a 90% chance of rates dropping this month. Now, the markets are pricing in that we might have 3 further interest rate increases in 2026. It's a massive about turn, and it's all about trying to control that new wave of inflation that's likely to come in. So what are mortgage rates doing this week? Well, 2-year deals, the average 2-year has now gone up from 4.79% to 4.99%. That's a huge increase, isn't it? And that's really going to start impacting the property market. It's probably going to slow it down significantly. It's going to mean your remortgage is significantly more expensive. And so what about 5-year deals? Because people are considering these now, which is crazy because literally last month, a lot of people, most mortgages, renewals, people were taking 2-year deals. And the reason they were taking 2-year deals was because the expectation was that mortgage rates were going to drop. That's changed. And I think when we get some data in the next few weeks or months, we'll see that at this point, I think more people might start taking 5-year deals just to lock in that little bit more certainty. So 5-year deals have gone up as well. They've gone up from 4.94% to 5.05%. This is the average of all lenders. This is from USwitch, this data. So that's not insignificant, is it? That's a big jump in mortgage rates. This is where it's going to get worse though, because I'm going to share with you now something that indicates that mortgage rates are probably going to rise even more. Now, a mortgage rate is based off something called a SONIA swap rate. So your bank that you borrow from, they borrow from a bigger bank. So you probably borrow from NatWest, Santander, Landbay, whoever it is, the Mortgage Works, whatever, they borrow from a bigger bank, and they borrow on a rate that's called the SONIA swap rate. Now, that's a prediction of where the Bank of England is going with rates. And I want to share with you now how much these have jumped in the last few days. So let's have a look at the SONIA swap for 2-year and 5-year. So 2-year SONIA swap has jumped massively. So on the 19th of February, the SONIA swap sat at 3.35%. That's now jumped. The latest data is from the 18th of March, so it could be even going higher than this. Now it's at 3.91%. So that means that lenders, to borrow, it's costing them half a percentage point more already, even though the Bank of England haven't put up their rate yet. That's crazy, right? So their borrowing costs are going up, and that's why you're likely to see mortgage rates go up from where they were 3 weeks ago by around 0.5%. Now, not all lenders have done that so far. Some have just creeped it up a little bit. Maybe they're hoping that this war comes to an end a little bit quicker than it is. Who knows? No one knows for sure, right? And so this is something you've got to keep an eye on. So next week, you're going to see 2-year deals getting more expensive again. I'm pretty confident on that. Next, what about the 5-year deal? Where does that sit? Well, the 5-year deal on the 19th of February was at 3.55%. That's just jumped to, on the 18th of March, to 3.95%. So, yeah, pretty much half a percentage point increase again. Not good. So what this means is that's why lenders are pulling lots of deals at the moment. There isn't really any deals with mainstream lenders now that are below 4% anymore. They've all repriced those higher, and they'll probably do some repricing next week as well. So what do? If you've got a mortgage or you want to buy a property? You get on the phone to a broker as quick as you can. You speak to a broker and you tell them, I want to get my remortgage done. Now, you can start this process as early as 6 months before you need to do that remortgage. You can lock in a rate. Let's just say, for argument's sake, you lock in a rate that's 4.5%. There are still some deals around there. So you lock in your deal at 4.5%. But that deal doesn't start for a few more months because you've still got some time on your old deal. Now, let's just say the war ends on Monday. Hopefully it does. If it did, that would mean that rates would probably start to creep down. The SONIA swap rate would start to creep down. And so as long as you haven't started that new deal, you can swap onto a better rate. That's how you get your worst case scenario. But what also happens is if the Bank of England does increase 2 or 3 times, like they're saying potentially will happen, you've got your worst case scenario. You're not going to pay that higher rate. That's important, and I want to make sure that you share that with people. Maybe share this video. I don't ask that very often. Click the share button. Share that with your mum, your dad, your auntie, your uncle, somebody that needs to know that they can get the best deal that they can, and that's how you do it. Let them know to watch this video and get them to subscribe. Let's get to 100,000 as quick as we can. So I'll be updating you guys as often as I can on this stuff. It's important. We need to understand what's going on. So do subscribe to the channel, do like it, and check out all the other content as well on the channel, including this video right here.